All right, let's in fact go across to Gurpreet, who is joining us at this point in time. Gurpreet, if you can take us through what's happening. Massive protest. Akali is protesting against the Punjab Chief Minister. Those are the live visuals on your screens right now.
Well, yes, of course, that since morning we have seen that Shiromani Akali Dal, they held a rally here, and after that they wanted to move toward the Chief Minister residence in Sisma near in district Mohali. What they wanted to get from the Chief Minister of Punjab, that they have seen that a lot of scams had been taken place during the COVID period. Shiromani Akali Dal held a protest a few days back in front of the Health Minister residence, where they had demanded the Health Minister should be removed because a vaccine scam has come up in Punjab. At the same time, Fateh Kits scam have already been come up, and today we can see from this live picture there were a multiple barricading had been done by the police, and first barricades these Shiromani Akali Dal leaders as well as the protesters, they were able to cross over. This is a second barricade. Huge water cannon is being used. Huge force have been deployed here to disperse Shiromani Akali Dal leaders, and what we have seen that a few minutes ago that some of the Shiromani Akali Dal leaders had been detained by the police from here. That was the only solution with the police at this point of time to disperse Shiromani Akali Dal leaders, because as I already told you that first they had crossed the first barricades, and after that they wanted to cross over the second barricade. At the same time the water cannon had been used to disperse them, but despite using the water cannon, Shiromani Akali Dal leaders, they were going back and coming front again and again, and with that they had been called, the police had called the second water cannon to disperse them. And these are the live picture from the ground, where we can see that the Shiromani Akali Dal leaders, they wanted to cross over the barricade to move toward the Chief Minister residence, and the main demand, they were saying that Health Minister Balbir Sidhu, he should be removed from his post, because the vaccine that during the COVID period, it is seen that the Punjab government had diverted vaccine to the private hospital, and a huge amount had been charged from the people of Punjab, and that was the core issue why they wanted to hold this protest, and they wanted to meet the Chief Minister. They wanted the Chief Minister should remove the Health Minister from here. So a huge number of the Akali Dal leaders as well as activists, they have been gathered here, and for the last 1 hour continuously we have been seeing that the police is trying to grapple with this situation. They don't want the law and order should be disturbed. They first used the first water cannon, but despite using the water cannon, they were not able to even disperse all the Akali leaders from here, and they keep on trying to even cross the barricades. Even the police had been deployed, and multi-layer barricades had been done by the police to avoid that they should not even cross the barricades to reach toward the Chief Minister residence. And we have seen that Shiromani Akali Dal leader Sukhbir Badal, Bikram Majithia, they were leading the protest. They say that they want that the public money which had been pocketed during the vaccine drive which was going on, that should be given back to the people of Punjab. At the same time, the Fateh kits, that was the kit which was meant for the people who suffered from the COVID, that was also bought at a very, very high price. So these are the two main core issues. At the same time, the Member Parliament of Congress, Ravneet Bittu, who has spoken against Dalit also in related to the BSP alliance. So that was also another issue which had come up today, and Sukhbir Singh Badal as well as all the BSP netas who were present there on the dais, they condemned and criticized the Member Parliament of the Congress, Ravneet Bittu. How did he use the derogatory words against the Dalit specifically? So all these things are happening at the ground. At the same time, some of the leaders, they had been taken by the police in the detention, because that was the only solution with the police. The police were trying to cross them. So these are the live picture at this point of time. We can see that now at least at this point of time, the police is able to control the situation, and the protesters, Shiromani Akali Dal leaders as well as the activists, some of them, they have been detained, and the police was able to send them back back from this Chief Minister residence, where they wanted to cross over the barricade to move toward the Chief Minister residence, and the law and order situation was in trouble, but now it's under the control. also. These are the live pictures which we can see from Mohali, that we are reporting near Sisma, that is a few meters away, the Chief Minister's private residence of Captain Amarinder Singh, Punjab. We are reporting it falls in district Mohali, where this protest had been held by the Shromani Akali Dal, and they wanted that the Punjab Health Minister Balbir Sidhu should be removed, because during the COVID period that vaccine scam as the Fateh Kit scam had come up, and at the same time, as I already told you, the Member Parliament of Congress Ravneet Bittu had used some statement against Dalits. That was also another issue which they wanted that the Chief Minister should immediately take action on that. Back to studio.
Yes, absolutely, Gurpreet. So obviously there's a lot of action going on right now there as far as this entire protest is concerned. But obviously this is also raises a lot of other questions, considering the fact that so many people have gathered there and those, of course, there has been some detentions also taking place. Gurpreet, thank you so much for getting us all of those details. We'll of course keep coming back to you as and when more developments happen.